Example 1. In determining the concentration of acetic acid in vinegar, barium hydroxide could be used in the titration instead of sodium hydroxide. Using a pipette, 10.00 milliliter of vinegar sample is placed in an aluminum flask, and 2 drops of indicator are added. It takes exactly 19.22 milliliter of 0.2144 molarity barium hydroxide solution to react with all the acetic acid in the sample. A. What is the molar concentration of the acetic acid in the vinegar sample? The first step is to summarize the most important information. The most important information includes numbers with units, what we are looking for, and balanced chemical equations if there are chemical reactions in the problem. As a rule of thumb, if there is a balanced chemical equation, the best habit is to write down the numbers with units and what we are looking for under the corresponding chemicals below the balanced chemical equation. The second step is to find the path from what we are given to what we are looking for. Let's take a look at what we are given. We know the volume and the molarity of the barium hydroxide solution. If you recall, if we know both the molarity and the volume, we can calculate the moles of the solute. Since we are looking for the molarity of another chemical, we are given the balanced chemical equation. If we know the moles of one chemical, we can calculate the moles of any other chemicals. It doesn't matter if it is a reactant or product. This is a typical stoichiometry calculation. If we know the moles of the solute and the volume of the solution, we can calculate the molarity of the solution. Now let me tell you the trick how to use this map. You always start from places whenever there's no arrow pointing to. The third step, and also the last step, is to work out the details of all steps. Now let me show you the work of all steps. Every time when we rewrite the equations, it will help to enhance our memory. Therefore, I strongly recommend you to rewrite the equations when you work out the details of the problem. This is our final answer. Can you follow my example to work out this problem by yourself?